In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $15,250 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from YouTube. And I made this commission just in one single month, okay? In the month of March, from the first day of March, okay, until the last day of March 31. Let's click on update. And here you go. As you can see, guys, the numbers are still the same numbers. This is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots. I'm not showing you screenshot like other people. I share with you guys my affiliate account dashboard, okay? And as you can see over here in my balance, I have $3,120 available. I will still get more commission. It can be up to 10k or 12, 11k, we don't know. I will share the results of this month again by the end of this month, okay, in my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to this YouTube channel. So in this video, I will share with you guys all the methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission with affiliate marketing as a beginner, okay? So let's get started. So first, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy, okay? So what you will do, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission and you can make a lot of money. Just click on join now and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. We will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links for free using free traffic, okay? So what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Open your YouTube homepage like this, okay? So why we choose to promote our affiliate links on YouTube? Because YouTube has 32 billion monthly visitors, okay? That's really big numbers because millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products, topics on YouTube, okay? Because YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. So you should start using YouTube, okay? So open your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask question. So for example, you will ask how to, let's say for example, how to promote Spotify. Okay, how to promote Spotify, and here you go. People are searching for, you just need to put the first keyword, how to promote, how to do, how to make, how to create, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube. This is report search prediction as you can see over here, okay? So people are searching for how to promote Spotify music, how to promote Spotify playlist, how to promote Spotify podcast, how to promote Spotify music on Instagram, on Facebook, streams, okay? So those people who are searching for how to promote Spotify music, so what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for Spotify promotion, okay? Search for Spotify promotion, scroll down, and you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr, okay? What you need to do next, you need to choose a good seller, like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So for example, I will choose like this one. This one is really looking good. He has level 2 seller, he has a lot of reviews. So but let's check if we can find a good one here. Okay, you need scroll, so just scroll down, you can find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. Okay, like this one is level 1 seller. Okay, let's choose this one. For example, he has a lot of reviews. I will do Spotify podcast promotion, so I will click on his service. Okay, like this, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link, okay, like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, before we do that, we need to go back to the seller profile page, scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. Click on read more, scroll down, click on his video here. As you can see, the seller has video. Let's check.
Hey, this is Bruce from Hot Web Ideas, and if you have your podcast on Spotify,
really good. Double click on this video, click on save video. Okay, and so I'm gonna name this video Spotify. Click on save. Okay, after you finish, go back to Google, search for Canva. Okay, like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your homepage, and you should have an account like this one with Canva, and this for free. Just click over here on video. You will be directly in this page. Click on upload. Click on upload file, and you need to upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, click on open. And here you go, your video will be uploaded. Click on your video, and your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points. Click on set video as background. Click on text. Scroll down. Choose which style of text you want to use. For example, you will use this one. Just click on the text style, and your text style will be over here. But I will delete the second one, and they will decrease the font size of this text like this. Double click on this text and write this sentence. Check link in my description, like this, because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, make this text like this. Click over here on elements, click on ship. Okay, and put this ship behind your text like this to make it looking good. Okay, it's now looking clear and good. Check link in my description. Let's check.
hey, this is Bruce from Hot Web Ideas, and if you have your podcast on Spotify or iTunes or Google Play, we will put your podcast and all of its episodes on our podcast network. Again,
so this seller can help people promote their Spotify music, okay, or podcast. So what you will do next, click on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, okay, open a YouTube channel. It's for free and it will take just a few minutes. Upload this video to your YouTube channel and put this title exactly like this: how to promote Spotify podcast. Okay, use the same keywords. Okay, use those. You should use those keywords in your title so people can find your video in search results. Those people who are searching for how to promote Spotify podcast, they can find your video in search results. They can find your video like this. They will see this video. The seller is explaining his service. They will see this. Check link in my description. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliates account, copy your affiliate link from here. If you don't have this CPA old plan, because I have all the Fiverr affiliates account, You should see this Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. It's super easy. It's really easy. Okay, and that's it. You just need to stay consistent, keep improving, keep making good videos for your audience, and put your affiliate links in your YouTube description. Grow your YouTube channel, and you can start making a lot of money with affiliate marketing using this method. Okay, this is the method that I'm using to make a lot of money every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic. And if you want to use free traffic, you should really work very hard in the first few weeks or even few months, okay, because you will use free traffic, so you need to grow your account. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and for people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, I will leave a link in my description below about a video showing you guys step by step how you can do it. Okay, so see you in my next video.